Hwn yn cael ei chodi, mae Jones yn hollol rydd ar geigif yn y rwyd. Mae Cenner yn dathlu, Aberystwyth yn dathlu. Gic gornel gan Aberystwyth yn cael ei chodi yn syth at Jones, a neb yn codi y gwr ifanc. Ac yn hyrddio honna i gyfeiriad McKenna, Sion yn gorau cael cyffyrddiad arni. Awch yn chwarae y Drenewydd ar ddechrau'r ail hanner yma. Mae eisiau mwy awch. Dim llawer yn cael ei gynnig yn yr hanner cynta. Dyma Kershaw. Am erbediad. Mullock yn hyrddio ei hunan i arbed eto. Y symudiad yn un slic. Paso yn gywrain. Nôl a Kershaw ar eilydd. Newydd ddod i'r ca. A drio gosod honna i'r gornel. Wade. Nôl at Declan Walker. Young i'r gornel. Mae Wade i parhau i redeg ac i gasglu'r bêl hefyd. Glyfar gan Ryan Wade. Heibio i Harris. Trio crymanu croesiad i mewn tua'r postyn pellach lle mae Hobson yn aros! Aberystwyth yn dathlu eto. Hobson, 2 gôl. Mewn 2 gêm. Yn cofleidio i rheolwr Nef Powell. Am gadw ffydd yn y cawr. Croesiad ar ôl gwaith gwych gan Ryan Wade. Gallwn ni manghofio i waith caled at Craig Hobson ar y postyn pellach. Young ar gic gornel i Aberystwyth. Beryglus dros ben pawb. A mae Cenner yn cyrraedd. Yn taranu honna i mewn tuag at y gôl. Mills Evans ar peniad. Craig Williams yn bachu ddi unwaith. Ac yna'n colli meddiant. Gwaith da gan Melvin. Mas at Phillips. Digonedd o le. A tipyn o amser i anelu croesiad efallai. O Hobson yn aros yn y canol. Phillips at yr yslys. Hobson! Y blaenwr yn rhwydo, unwaith eto heno. Y tîm cartre yn dathlu am y trydydd tro a'r triffwyd os bosib yn ddiogel bellach. Phillips i glirio, Hobson. Unwaith eto, rhy grif i'r amddiffyn. Cyffyrddiad hyfryd at Ryan Wade. Wade i barhau yn trio crymanu'r bêl tuag at Callaway yn y canol. Phillips i barhau ar ymysodiad. Nôl at Wade. I'r canol. Hobson i droi, i daro i'r rwyd ochr. O feddwl fod ambell i gefnogwr fan hyn cyn y gêm yn ame fydde Hobson yn para 90 munud. Mae wedi para 86 a mae wedi rheoli 86 ohonyn nhw. Nev Powell, 3 points, clean sheet, pretty perfect night, wasn't it?
It was important. We got a result tonight, local derby as well, so it's been a few games, so I've been told that they haven't beaten Newtown, so nice for the supporters and the committee people to take the 3 points, you know. I thought the lads put a great shift in, to be fair. We thoroughly deserved it, you know. We realised that, you know, we've got the Welsh Cup next week, so there's no league game, and we were on for 2 weeks, and we didn't want to be 6 points behind Newtown, so it was important we got that win. And to be fair, we were down to the bare bones, the injuries and the squad we had out to put a performance on like that against a good Newtown side was outstanding, you know. But as you say, excellence from 1 to 11 all over the park. We were better in every department, so very pleasing night.
You know, we've said this year when we've lost games that we've count ourselves unfortunate, but not tonight. No, we're through. You know, Aber deserved the 3 points, no complaints from us. We were second best, probably from the first goal. Really, it's a poor first goal. We have to react better. Players have to take control of the situation and deal with it. We didn't, and then we never really looked like we were ever going to get back in the game. And all credit to them. You know, they caused us problems all night. So you know, no complaints from us. But we probably, since the last poor performance. At Llandudno, we've had a run of 5 games where we've done 4 decent performances. We probably haven't had the results we deserved, but you know, tonight we've been poor tonight.
Craig Hobson, congratulations, man of the match, 2 goals, pretty good night for you.
Yeah, it was a good night. Yeah, just enjoyed it. All the lads working hard for each other, and I'm fortunate enough the lads give me the chances and I put them away.
We're on a good run. You know, we've lost against Bangor and Bala, which we could have got something out of both games, and. As you say, we take 1 game at a time. You know, it's important now we move on to the Welsh Cup. That's another massive game. As you say, I like the Welsh Cup, and Aberystwyth like the Welsh Cup. So we've got a huge game on Saturday against Bala, and then we can concentrate on Connasky the week after. But as you say, we'll enjoy tonight now and try and get these players back fit for the. So I've got a squad to pick from for Bala match.